Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So I've got about 1 centimetre to half an inch of salted water boiling in my pot, and I'm going to get my kale in. I've just sliced it with the stems and everything, but if you want it to be a bit nicer you can pick the leaves off. So I'm just going to get the kale in, and it's going to kind of steam and boil on the bottom, but I love this is my favourite method for cooking it. I'm going to get the lid on and just going to let it simmer for 4 or 5 minutes. Great, so when the kale's cooked, I just drain it well and then get it back in the pan. I'm going to season it with just a tablespoon of rice vinegar, just kind of add some freshness. You could use apple cider vinegar, you could use lemon juice, whatever vinegar you've got. And then a tablespoon of fish sauce, which I really like it because it's a bit fresher and lighter than soy sauce, so it adds that kind of, complex umami saltiness, but it just has a bit more going on. But of course you could use soy sauce if you didn't have any fish sauce. And then I'm going to divide this beautiful kale. Taste it and season it. You might need a bit more of either of the sauces. It's up to you. You might want to give it a bit of salt. So we're going to divide it between 2 bowls and finish it with some crumbled goat's cheese and roast hazelnuts. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.